Hello again and welcome, friends. There are some more remnants of Hurricane Milton. Here we are, friends, in the village of Winifred, and you can see there are still remnants of Hurricane Milton. This neighbor had a tree blow over. That's the tree stump there. All of this debris, residents are being asked to put at the end of their property. And there is a special FEMA contractor that will come around October 20th to pick this debris up. The villages did ask for FEMA relief, and they do have a contractor that's been approved by the federal government to come around and collect all this debris. There are still several swimming pools around the area here in the villages that are still closed after Hurricane Milton. This is the Winifred pool. This is located in the village of Winifred. You can see that this pool is open, but there are a lot of the swimming pools still closed. And they have signs on some of these open swimming pools. The pool is not at expected temperature. And that swimming pool, I did touch the water. It's very cold. It's very common that after rainstorms and tropical storms and hurricanes that the pool temperature goes down quite a bit. That pool temperature is probably lower than 85 degrees. That is the temperature that they heat these swimming pools to during the winter months. These are heated swimming pools. They are also salt water swimming pools here in the villages. I'll take you over to Tall Trees swimming pool and I'll show you what that looks like. That pool is still closed. Here I am, friends. I'm at the Tall Trees Postal Center and swimming pool area, and you can see there's still a lot of debris on the ground. This is remnants of Hurricane Milton, and there is a lot of debris in the swimming pool. I will walk over there and show you in just a bit. As I mentioned before, most of the swimming pools are open in the villages. Today is Sunday. But there are several swimming pools that are still closed as a result of Hurricane Milton. And Tall Trees swimming pool is one of those pools that is still closed, and I'll show you why in a minute. You can see there's still a lot of debris. The villages is doing their best to pick all this debris up, but Hurricane Milton was a little more severe than most of the other hurricanes that we had. There is more debris there. This is the Tall Trees pool. I was here yesterday and that pool was full of debris. They since came and cleaned it out. And here's your sign: due to Hurricane Milton, all rec outdoor facilities, including pools, will be closed on Tuesday, October 8th, and will remain closed until authorized by the villages to reopen. And some of the swimming pools, like the Winifred swimming pool, that is open. And some of these other swimming pools are not yet open. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Here I'm standing at the Arnold Palmer Championship Golf Course. And I am standing right behind Laurel Manor Recreation Center. And you can see, friends, that they are managing the water levels on the retention ponds. They are watering these golf courses. As of today is Sunday, all executive and championship golf courses are closed. And they're still closed as a result of Hurricane Milton and their attempts to lower the water levels in these retention ponds. Hello, welcome friends. Here I am at the starter shack for the Saddlebrook Executive Golf Course. It is Sunday. It is the Sunday after Hurricane Milton passed through the villages. And you can see this executive golf course has no people on it. As I mentioned before, the Villages has closed all the golf courses, and they remain closed until further notice because of Hurricane Milton and their desire to manage the water levels on these retention ponds. Golf courses closed. This is an executive golf course. That is the Saddlebrook Recreation Center there, friends. Here you are, friends, as part of the water retention pond level mitigation. They are still watering the common areas. Here you see the sprinkler systems going off right along the golf cart path, located here on Buena Vista Boulevard. And that is one of the reasons the golf courses are all closed as well. They are trying to lower the retention pond levels by watering the golf courses. Hello again and welcome, friends. There is some more remnants of Hurricane Milton. A large branch from this tree was broken off, and the Villages came around and they cut it up and they put a stack right by Buena Vista Boulevard. These are the piles of debris, and you can see more debris piles up there, and over there. These are the piles of debris that the FEMA contractor will come around on October 20th and will pick them up. And all residents are encouraged to collect their debris from their yards and put them out near their street. Don't put them on the street, put it near the street, and the FEMA contractor will come around and pick it up. And the Villages is warning everyone that the FEMA contractor will come around only one time. So if you forget to put your pile of debris out on the street on October 20th, chances are the FEMA contractor will not come back and pick it up. The Villages did have some issues with their contractors back in 2017 when Hurricane Irma struck the Villages and created a lot of damage. And Hurricane Milton, I think, came close to the damage created by Hurricane Irma. So the village is asking all residents to put their debris by their driveway. The villages did make changes to their contracts since 2017 to ensure that the contractors that they hire will abide by the terms and conditions and will perform their duties per the contract. I know in 2017 some of the contractors that the villages contracted with, they went south, and they went south in Florida and did their contracting and cleanup work in the southern part of the state because they could make more money. So since then, the villages did redo their contracts, and they rebid their contracts, and they have new contractors. And the contracts that they executed will minimize or eliminate the potential that this debris will not be picked up. Back in 2017, residents became despondent because the contractor would not pick their debris up at the end of their driveway, and the residents started hauling their debris to their local recreation center. And if you do an internet search, you will see pictures of large piles of debris at the recreation centers. I saw a picture of large piles of debris at Laurel Manor Recreation Center back in 2017, and that's because residents were hauling their debris there because the FEMA contractor did not pick up their debris. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it, friends. Take care and stay safe.